Hello, I'm Dr. John Frank, and today I thought I would talk a little bit about celebrity hair transplants because they're very popular, whether it's LeBron James, Tom Brady, John Travolta, you name it. A lot of celebrities have been in the media with hair transplants as they become more popular, and so people, they don't always ask me about the celebrity hair transplants, and gosh, I guess by virtue of having played in the Super Bowl, I'm considered or was considered in some circles a celebrity, and I've had a hair transplant myself, but these are all transplants. But after being in the field and being a hair transplant surgeon for almost 23 years, I feel like I have pretty good knowledge about hair transplants. And so some of these celebrities, they may have had hair transplants, but some of them may have just benefited from either a wig or possibly finasteride or some other therapy. So the most important thing with anyone, including the celebrities, is if you look at their hair, that they have individualized treatment. For instance, if you take a look at Lebron James, he clearly had a hair transplant, and you could tell that years ago because he had a visible line in the back of his hair from an FUT. And that's, I guess, kind of unfortunate because he wears his hair short, should have had an FUE. Now, it is kind of difficult with curly hair, and you have to be very good at it and have specialized instrumentation to do the FUE, but he may have been better served by the FUE. Of course, with curly hair, if you're going to wear your hair really long, then you could get the FUT. Another celebrity, say Sylvester Stallone. He's got very dark hair and straight hair, and it's really just his hairline. And so I know a fair amount about his situation, but I think it's been done pretty well. Tom Brady, I'm not sure he did or he didn't. People ask me this question all the time: do hats and in his case helmets really cause hair loss? And for the most part, no, not really. Certainly, if you're wearing a hat and you're having inflammation or some problems with infections or things under a helmet or a hat, then it could cause hair loss, but probably no. Hair loss is typically caused by testosterone metabolite dihydrotestosterone. So Tom Brady would benefit from blocking the dihydrotestosterone for his long-term plan. Other people that have had hair transplants: Prince Harry with a big mane of hair, or John Travolta. Looks like he had a hair transplant, but I think he's gone with the shaved route. So at the end of the day, the most important thing is that you really have your care individualized. You can't really try to look like a celebrity. I get it. My kids want to be like, hopefully my children will be like their mother and me. My wife and I want to be like us. But everybody looks up to role models and things like that. But when it comes to your hair, it's very particular, very individualized. And if you send me your pictures, I'll be happy to take a look at them and give you my recommendations. Thanks for tuning in.